Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emilee. So today I'm doing another video in my series of the NYX Advent Calendar. So every day this month we are going through the NYX Advent Calendar using the product of the day to create a new makeup look, and this is the look that I did today. It is a gorgeous bright gold and orangey smoky eye with a candy cane liner and an orange lip. So if that sounds like something you might be interested in, then make sure you comment down below, subscribe and like the video, and stay tuned as I have lots more videos coming soon. So the product of the day is the NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Peanut Brittle, which is this gorgeous orangey colour. I would also like to thank MAKEMEUPMISSA for inspiring this look, because she did a look in her recent video and she didn't do a tutorial, she was just wearing the look, and I thought that is an amazing look and I need to recreate that. So that is what this video is. So I'm going to be using my Caramel Melange palette because I did use my Zoeva Cocoa Blends palette in another video, which I will link that down below if you haven't seen it already. But obviously I love Zoeva eyeshadows and I forget how much I love them every time I use them, and then I'm just like, oh my god, I love them. And I know that this is Chloe's one of Chloe's favourite palettes. Chloe, I see you. So I thought I would use this one. So I'm going to be using this reddy orange shade, this a mixture of these two shades here, and then dipping into the gold shades, and I'm also going to be using an Aloha Glitz colour on my inner corner, and I'm going to retry doing my candy cane liner and I hope it turns out better than last time. So I'm going to start by going in with this white colour. So I'm just using this to highlight my brow bone, just because we're going to be using some pretty dark colours and I want to highlight first. I'm then going to go in with this Real Techniques kind of bullet brush. I'm going to use the shade Aftertaste, which is this bright red colour. And I'm just going to take this onto the brush. And I'm just going to start packing this through my crease, just like I usually do. As you can see, it's a super bright colour. After packing it, I'm just going to go in with the same brush and just start to use circular motions around the edges, just to kind of buff it out a tiny bit so it's not as harsh. And I'm going to use a tiny bit of this shade here, which is called Alchemy, which is like a deeper kind of red toned brown colour. I'm just going to use the same brush and I'm just going to pack this on top just to deepen it a tiny bit. And then I'm going to use a blending brush and just buff out these edges just with no product on. And because we put that matte colour down first, the matte creamy colour, it will kind of buff into that colour and create a nice blend. So if you haven't been following me on Instagram, then you won't know I've been missing for a few days. But if I'd follow me on Instagram, because I put everything on there. I will link it down below and on the page. I use my Instagram a lot more than any other social media, so if you're ever wondering what's going on with me, then check my Instagram. But I've been really ill this past week, so that's why I am a bit slacking on the videos. I'm just adding a tiny bit more of Aftertaste, which is that bright orange, and just packing that on top again. I'm going to use the tiniest bit of concealer, and I'm going to take this on my hand first, and I'm just taking this on my brush. This is just a flat concealer brush, and I'm not going to cut the crease, I'm just going to kind of apply it really roughly, just by patting it in this inner half. Almost like a cut crease, but I'm not doing a sharp edge. I'm just kind of patting over the edges to diffuse them a bit, just so the shadow that we're going to apply next has something to stick to. So I'm going to use a 239 brush from MAC, which is just this nice packer brush. You could go in with this shade here, which is called Almost Burnt. It's like a beautiful yellow toned gold, but I'm actually going to go in with something that's more pigmented and then maybe use this to blend out the edges later. So I'm going into my Aloha Glitz palette, or one of them, I have three now, and I'm going to go with this shade here called Flare, which is a beautiful, really bright, vibrant, yellowy golden colour. As you can see, it's stunning. So I'm just going to take this on my brush. I'm going to take it dry to begin with and just put this all over that area. That colour is just stunning. I don't even know if you can tell, but Look at that. I love it. I love this colour so much. I'm just going back in with that red colour we used first and packing this again onto the outer corner so it's nice and vibrant, because I really don't want to lose this colour. And also to kind of blend the edges. I'm going to add a bit of a dark brown colour just right here, just to deepen this up a tiny bit, just with the lightest hand. And kind of blend it in with the red colour. I'm then going to kind of intensify the gold colour by adding a bit of glitter. Now this is the glitter I'm going to use. I used this in my green look that I did with like the green halo eye, and it's beautiful. So this is a colour Freeze by Love Alpha. These are my favourite glitters ever. They're like a little jelly and they are so affordable. I think they're like £2 for a pot, and they're decent sized pots as well. I think I've got like 7 or 8 colours, which I love them all. As you can see, I've used a lot of this. But yeah, this is in the shade 3, and I'm just going to put this on my lid just in like a random, not too precise kind of way, just to kind of add a bit of glitz. So as you can see, it's literally like a little jelly kind of liquid. I'm just going to take this and put this on my eye. Don't forget to blur this edge just with a blending brush. For the liner, I'm just going to take this eye base again, just like I did last time, on my Real Techniques flat liner brush. I'm just going to like push this along the lash line. I'm not going to do a wing today. I'm just going to set that with the white from this palette. I'm then just going to take a red liquid lip and do the candy cane stripes. But yeah, this is the look so far. Okay, so face makeup is all done. Lashes are on. So this is the eyes with the lashes on. It looks so much better. I'm just going to take whatever is left on this brush and run this on the outer 2/3 of my lower lash line. And then I'm just going to take some of Flare again on this brush and just take this on the inner third. I'm then just going to apply the lip colour of the day, which is Peanut Brittle, and this is a liquid suede. And this is the finished look. I love this, and thank you to Missa for inspiring this look because it is incredible. I think it's my, I do this every look, I think it's my favourite. So thank you for watching the video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you stay tuned. Give the video a like, subscribe down below, and make sure you check out all the other ones in the playlist down below.